Only watch this video if you haven't been able to solve it yourself in Excel. Watching a video, that's not how you learn Excel. Trying it out in Excel, that's how you do learn. Good. Very similar exercise as the previous one, except we don't only have to copy this formula downwards, we also have to copy it to the right, because we see here January, February, and March. So our goal is we want to write once the right formula and then copy it everywhere else. Okay. I'm gonna make myself struggle a little bit just to show you how it's done. So we're going to sum. Where do we find the categories? So here are the category names. The categories are over here. So we're gonna select all of this. Let me, not fix it at all. Then the criterion is this, and the sum range is over here in January. Okay. What happens if I just copy this formula everywhere? Well, of course, it doesn't look good. But to check what went wrong, it's best to check the opposite corner, right? So I'm now I've written the formula in the upper left corner, so I'm gonna check in the down right corner. And what I see is the red cell that was supposed to be here in property, plant, and equipment also moved to the right, of course, because we didn't add a dollar sign here. So let's first fix that. We want the red cell to stay in column J. So I'm going to add a dollar sign in front of the J, so it's always going to remain in column J. Let me check this. So I'm already going to copy it and check if the red cell is where it's supposed to be. Yes, okay, that's good. Now let's check what's wrong with the ranges. So the blue range should have stayed in column C, because the category should always remain in column C. So we should fix the C, and it should also remain starting on row 3 and ending on row 40 or 41. Yeah, 40. So in other words, the range has to be fully fixed. It cannot move anywhere. Not the columns can move, nor the rows. So let's check. I fixed it. I changed it in the left upper corner. So I'm gonna check if it looks good in the right down corner. And indeed, the blue range now is where it's supposed to be. There's still one thing that I have to fix. It's almost correct, because it's good. We're in March now, you see, in column M. So it's very good that it also moved along to March, but it's not good that it went down. So it should start in row 3 and end in row 40. So let's go back to our beginning cell and add the dollar sign in front of the 3 and in front of the 40. And now this is good. Well, let's check it again. Okay, this is perfect. We just need to divide it by 1000. There you go. And then we can copy it everywhere. The totals were already made for us. Thank you, or thank me. That's how you solve it. However, there is one issue here. Staff is 0. That doesn't look healthy. What could be wrong? Well, it's looking for the word staff in this blue range. And in this blue range, we don't see staff, but we do see staff cost. So one way to solve it is to change this into staff cost. And now it looks decent. Yeah, the other way would have been to replace staff cost by staff. But the point is, whatever the criteria is here should also appear here in the range. Otherwise, it won't sum anything.